Hello, amazing people. This is Julia, and this is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I just want to make it quick. It is Tuesday, um, just the first trading day in September, and I actually told us about the September sell-off and the opportunities you are going to get in. So I like to tell you exactly what you expect in the video as soon as I get started in my video. So I want to talk to you about the stock market, which is about to get wild, and now is a good time for you to start looking into some of the stocks I had already talked about. And if you are interested in this type of content, you should please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and most importantly, my videos are educational because I want to help you to understand the market and see where you can make money. Yes, every single day people are printing money in the stock market, and why wouldn't you be doing that? With just your smartphone and some very good knowledge, you should be able to be making money. So let's get started. I want to show us something quickly. This is currently live streaming right now, September 3rd. As you can see here, Dow tumbles 400 points to start September trading as slowdown fears pick up again. So this is currently what is happening. The market ended on Friday on a high note, but this is what just happened today, being Tuesday. The stocks declined Tuesday as technology names struggled and new economic data rekindled fears around the health of the economy. Now, you may not need to go into all those things, but this is where I want you to look at. Stock fell downward pressure such as Nvidia, which is the king of the semiconductor. You can also look at Micron, KLA, AMD, and other ones. Market is showing signs of weakness. Can you see this? And I want to show you a proof right away. So let me go to my Weibo app so you can see this. This is my Weibo app, and as you can see, this is on the daily time frame. Nvidia dropped as low as 90 and ran up to 130, and this is what is currently happening. Since last week, Nvidia has been dropping since they reported earnings, though they smashed their earnings, but they did not really pick up. So let me bring us to the 5 minutes time frame so you're going to see what is happening. Can you see? This is massive from 116 at open down to 109. If you watched my last video, I mentioned that we are going to start buying once the stock is within $100 to $110 range. Can you see this? So this is the first mark. So let me go back to the daily time frame so you will see this very well. Can you see where I marked? So anytime this stock gets into this range of 1110, I am going to 1110 range. I am going to start buying down up until it gets into the 90, beyond 100, like below 100. That's what I'm going to do. So this is one of the stocks that you should keep an eye on. And for those in our community, this is a stock that we bought because I told them that in September, stocks are going to drop massively. So this is a stock. Let's get to the 30 minutes or okay, I think 30 minutes will show what I want. So this is where we bought the stock. We bought the stock at 21.7, 21.8, $22, and see what is happening. It touched almost 25. And you see this. Look at this. Look at this. Almost 25. So imagine getting a stock at 22 and the stock is getting as high as 25, and this is just within how many days? Between Friday and today. Look at this move. Beautiful move. So this is one of the benefits you get for being in our community. Being in the community allows you to learn about the stock market and understand what happens at every point in time. So you'll be able to know which stock you should have. And we also have a watch list where you are focused on looking at the kind of stocks you should keep your attention on, because you cannot track all the stocks in the stock market. It is going to be crazy for you. And for beginner, it is going to be terrible. So that is one of the stocks. I would have showed the other ones, but I think I'm going to stop for now. This is another stock I'm looking at to buy, Palantir. Though it is not within my range, I'm looking at this stock coming down to 29.80 and below. And that's when I'm going to be interested in buying it. If you look at the daily time frame, it is still trying to hold. Can you see this? It is trying to hold here. So if it breaks $30, it's going to come down to 28. If it breaks 28, this stock is coming to 25 and it will most likely touch 24. So I'm not going to, this is like a keep an eye on kind of stock for now, and I'm not going to look into it for buying. I'm only going to be monitoring it, and when I am ready, I'm going to grab it. This is another stock that we also grabbed over the weekend. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. So this is going to make a lot of sense. So we bought this stock at $21 some weeks ago. I grabbed it at $21. Look at it, $21 to $26. That's a $5 move. Fantastic move. And this happened just between Friday and today, Tuesday. So this is how you can make money in the stock market. This is a very good opportunity. Let's get back to my Nvidia. So this is what I'll be keeping my eyes on for today. I'm loving the movement, and I know that the sell-off is still going to intensify to some large extent, and when it does, it is going to be in my favor. And this is a stock that I want to grab as much as I can. I want to buy it within 109 and below. 110, 111, fantastic. That's a good buy range. This stock long term can get to $200. I'm telling you, it may take few months, but this is one stock that you can buy. And this stock, remember, they also pay dividends, so this is a very good stock. Let me show you another stock that I'm looking at. Let's go to Google. Alphabet. So let's go to Alphabet. Let's see. Okay, fantastic. So this is Alphabet. I want to take us to the daily time frame. I want to show you something very quickly. Look at Alphabet. It used to be at 193. Look at the sell-off. Look at the sell-off. And this was the last major sell-off that happened in July. As you can see, it tried to pick up and is coming down again. So this stock, I'm looking at it to grab it at 160. So from 160, which is where it is now, I can start picking the stock. Remember what I told us about fractional shares. Fractional shares is where you can grab stocks with $10, $5, $20. So let's say this stock is $160 and you have just $40. That means you're buying 1/4 of this stock. So if this stock moves from $160 to $200, for instance, that's a profit of $40. If you divide the $40 into 4, you get a portion of the $40. That's 1/4 of the $40. That means you're earning $10 on top of your $40. From $40, you get to 50. So I see people who keep telling me, Ma, I can't invest when I see the amount, I don't have $160. My dear, you can do 20. That 20 will give you $25 profit. That $5 is a lot. That $40 can give you $50. Do you understand? So this is how you play the game. Make sure you invest in knowledge. Get the right information. Study the stock market. It is an interesting money printing machine. Trust me when I say this. I do hope that you've learned one or two things in this video, and I hope you have subscribed. Why? So you can see the next videos when I'm going to put them out to YouTube will show it to more people. And if you learned something, please drop it in the comment section. Tell me some of the stocks that I mentioned, which one you'll be buying. Are you buying Nvidia? Are you buying Google? Are you buying Palantir? Are you looking into Apple? If there are any other stocks you're interested in, please drop it in the comment section and I would love to get back to you on that. So this is where I'm going to wrap up this class, and this is what I want to show you next. Get ready because the stock market opportunities are here. So when people sleep, we make money in dollars. So it would be nice for you to join the community. We have two groups. We have the basic and we have the VIP. The basic is just 10,000 naira for a month and the VIP is 50,000 naira. All right. So once you grab this opportunity, come and learn. Learn from this, from the pro, the stock market university. So come in and learn and make some money and build good legacy. I'll see you in the next video. I do hope you learned one or two things in this particular video. So have a great day.